You have a strategy for booking Oasis tickets?
Okay, this is a big thing. I, like every other person in the country, at 8 o'clock on Saturday morning, will be trying to get my tickets. A few top tips for you. Set up your Ticketmaster account. If you've never bought anything from Ticketmaster, if you haven't logged in for a while, go in and make sure that you have your password to hand and be logged into Ticketmaster into your account beforehand. I'd also recommend, if possible, to store your card in your account so that you have all of the details to hand so you're not faffing around on the day in a panic. Also, be patient. The demand for these tickets will be incredibly high. I know that some people normally have multiple tabs open on a
Mm.
browser. That is one way to do it. What I'd recommend you do is have a laptop and a phone, have separate devices if you can, and just be patient. Once you're in the queue, do not refresh the page because that'll put you to the back of the queue. So just be prepared, have your account details ready, store your card into your phone, and hopefully, fingers crossed, we'll all get tickets.